Marianne here with you from Autohaus of Naples, and today I have a Naples car. It's a 2011 Maserati Quattroporte S, and it's finished in a Bianco white with a beautiful tan leather interior with your nice wood grain. In fact, your steering wheel has the wood grain and leather to it, so you can see there, multifunction. And the beautiful antique white piping along the sides of the leather seats. I'm going to pop the hood here and show you one of the best features about Maserati, and it's what's underneath the hood. Of course, it's beautiful, it's Italian made, definitely one to feel proud of whenever you drive it. We do have your xenon daytime running lights, and sorry about that. Your Ferrari made engine. Maserati has a 4.7 liter V8 engine underneath this hood, and it produces about 425 horsepower. Once again, it is made by Ferrari, so absolutely the best, breathtaking, most stunning thing about this car, besides everything, is this engine. If you're having a bad day, I want you to go out to your garage, if this is your car in the future, and open the hood and look at it and take a deep breath in and remember why you're fabulous and life is good, because that is what this engine speaks whenever you open the hood. Here you have your, I believe it's your 6-piston brake calipers here. It's finished in a nice matching silver as your wheels with the red Maserati writing there. Your Quattroporte, I believe, is here on the inside whenever you open the door. Right there, your Quattroporte S. And of course your wood grain, again, your nice leather, no cracking in the leather dash. Of course, none in the seats as well. We do have a sunroof, and your electrical seats are not only in the front, but they're also in the back for those passengers, along with the added option of heated seats. You can get this car for basically $100,000 less than what the window sticker was. And there are about, I believe, $10,000 to $12,000 in upgrades in this car. You can see we have the parking sensors in both the front and in the back, your quad exhaust. And I'm going to get this open for you, show you the window sticker itself. Here you're able to see that the suggested retail price is $139,960. Like I said, there's basically $100,000 savings. We're looking at 18,000 miles on the car, just over it. Naples car, sold here in Naples, Florida. It states that on the window sticker. Under here you have your books, your air pump for your wheels, the front bracket for the license plate, along with your toolkit, the Maserati toolkit. So the owners took very good care of it. As you can see, once again, it was made and sold here, or not made here, but made and shipped here and sold at the Naples Maserati dealership, and it has always been a Naples, Florida car. So if you know anything about Naples driving and Naples living, that is a huge plus whenever it comes to purchasing a car. So I'm going to take it out on a test drive for you and show you how it rides and runs. And get started up. Like I said, 18,000 miles, 18,805 to be exact. Yesterday when I was playing in this car, I had 18,777 on the odometer, and you can see that on our Snapchat, which is Autohaus Naples, but you can get some sneak peeks of our cars when we're there. Anyhow, again, 18,805 miles on the odometer. You can see it's no warning lights or labels or anything like that. You have the nice clear and command center here and screen, the beautiful Maserati clock. And I'm just going to change my seating here and get out on the road.
Putting the heated seats on?
Yeah. There's your navigation system. We do have the paddle shifters, your multi-function steering wheel, which is both wood grain and leather. Absolutely beautiful. It is stunning. I had mentioned that before. You have this suede headliner, your Bose system, and you can see the sunroof as well, which is always nice. You have your sunshade in the back. If your passengers aren't comfortable enough with all their options of heated seats and electrical seating, they have the option of of the sunroof or the sunshade as well. Never been smoked in. Smells amazing in here. It smells brand new. It's really hard to believe that somebody even drove it 18,000 miles. Like I said, always been a Naples, Florida car, and that is a huge ordeal. We do have the parking sensors in both the front and the back, your sport mode. Here's where you can operate the sunshade for the front and the back, and along with your unlock and lock buttons. If only you could hear how well this sounds with the Bose system. I always say that's one of my biggest things. It's just how nice it is to have a good sound system and stereo system in a car, and this one certainly has it. Anytime there's a Bose system, it says screams premium, in my opinion. So I'm going to step on it a little bit so you can see how great it is. I don't want to speed too much. I do try to limit that. I know that's boring, but I have to also be mindful of those around us. So my camera guy is giving me those, was that all eyes?
Yes,
But you know what?
the garage to open, das sind jetzt so boring.
But I'll tell you, my Snapchat really gives the full effect of that. I do play around with that. Oh, and we do have the dual air conditioning here if we're going to be boring. Dual air conditioning for both you and the passenger. But no, look, find us on social media as well, because there are a lot more fun things. These are more of the selling point videos. It's Autohaus Naples on both Instagram and Snapchat. Our website is autohausnaples.com, and you may call us directly. That is at 239-263-8500. My name is Marianne. Again, it's 239-263-8500, and I will see you on the next one.